Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can contact the Revolut support. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your default homepage, which is your main account page. So from here to contact support, you would need to tap in the upper left corner on your profile icon. Then on this menu that loaded, just go ahead and select the first option, which is help. Now on the help page, you would just need to scroll down, and here you would be able to see a support option. So I have recently contacted support, so I have my latest support inquiry right here. But if you tap on this chat right here, you would be able to write a message to a support representative and then get a reply. Now this usually takes about 24 hours for them to respond, and essentially guys, this here you can contact the Revolut support via chat. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.